Here we are near Alzada, Montana in Carter County. One hell of a shelf cloud right here going on. Severe thunderstorm. It's talking to me. Hopefully we can get a lightning bolt or two in there. Holy crap. Beautiful, beautiful shelf cloud. Oh, look at it just rolling right over us. What do we got going on in here? Oh, I just missed that one. Damn it. Okay, getting here. What do we got going on? Let's find out. Pull the window down. So we'll put the lens off a little bit. Excuse me here. Good as new. So it looks like the shelf is for the most part over us. Ooh, that was one. Here's what our radar is looking like. So we are right there. So we're not as far into the severe part as I'd like to be, but I kind of got a late start today, so at least we got that gnarly shelf. You can see it wanting to form that little MCV behind it there on top where I'm at. Focus in there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh boy. Double rainbow. All the way around. Can't really stop right now, I'm on the interstate, but holy Lord, this is gorgeous. Beautiful.
Well, this is got.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
if you put quick, you can see the lines. Yep.
What are those isoplanes? I am in your shot. I apologize.
Yeah, I'm just kind of going around here. Got some convergence.
Too bad. Everyone have the
Too
same
bad.
idea.
Yep.
It's the one. The only.
Overshooting top. Starting up over there.
And look at you, Mr. Observant of speed limits in rural areas.
Yeah, well, it's the speed limit's 60, and I'm doing 65.
It's 65.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
I should be going 70 then.
You got a couple of chasers right behind you.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm not gonna be the ass that's gonna be passing, but.
Well, I don't want to be that guy that, like, there's a cop sitting there and like, oh,
Of course.
yeah, I don't want a speeding ticket out of state.
Nebraska cops don't around.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is
They
that
mainly love I.
the thing is
Yeah.
that you love. You gotta have a chaser pass you. Let him go fast, and then you follow.
Of course.
Behind.
Yeah.
Going fast.
Ideally, you get in the middle of two cars. You'll
Yeah.
either be first or last. Usually last that will get picked off by a cop.
These cows wanting to be in our shot. They're wanting to be
Mosquitoes.
famous on the internet.
Oh, and mosquitoes. I just killed 2 of them. Watch your arms. In the back of your neck.
Right behind you.
Okay.
Look at the slow motion. Moving and facing to us. You feel it tingling? Positive.
Okay, I'm rolling video on that wall cloud. Okay. Rolling close-up video on the wall cloud up there. There's gonna tornado any second.
This is an excellent spot.
Yep. Yeah, they just got right behind the trees there. know if it hits the lightning hits the deer. I'm sure it'll go viral. Film it. Yeah, they're coming up here with us. Looks like. Choose that a little bit. Who's this? Someone. Oh, that. Ooh. I love it. Oh yeah, that's got the rotation is tightening. You guys want to see it, but it might get rain wrapped here. You guys see that tightening rotation?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, you can see it right there, right there, right there.
What?
No, very good.
Right there.
Service.
Did I have it here? Yeah, it passed over us for me too, and it was moving a little faster than I thought it was.
I mean, it was anchored for a while. Do you have any?
I'm trying to pull it here. Yeah, of course there's no. It's just like Montana chasing where there's no service.
Sand, all right. Going HP.
That's what I was carrying up.
James ramping up. Okay, so we saw diurnal cooling.
Saw what?
Diurnal cooling. When the sun goes down.
Guys, chase tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah. Debating whether or not to go we gotta be back in February.
Yeah, I gotta be back on Tuesday.
I work at 8 a.m.
So do I.
Yep.
I can work remote, but I didn't even bring my work laptop for.
Oh no.
Might as well go. Turn my phone off.
Yeah.
Go home.
Safe on battery.
Yeah, stay
Yeah. The stuff up north, there's totally gonna be stuff. But
Yeah.
moving 50 to 60 miles an hour,
Yeah.
if you're already in any long position, you're screwed. And go out and get Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, that's what I'm saying. So that's what red means?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Just echo.
Okay.
But it's 'cause it's
Why are you smoking?
I recognize that
It's fun. Yeah, it is.
I'm still rolling good video here.
I'm pretty sure that's the circulation up there.
Yep, and I'm pointed right at it.
See, your camera does good with flight. Mine's
It's a D7500. don't want to be. We are in a nighttime rain-wrapped tornado warning. And we are hiding under an awning at a hospital here in Creighton, Nebraska. This is I don't want to be here. I don't know this area. Okay, this is not cool. There might be a wedge in there. Yep. I'm rolling video right now.
Either soup.
Nasty, nasty storms.
You gotta go to Sioux
Sioux City. This is not cool.
And then there's another line that comes in like a few hours.
There's a what?
There's a totally new separate line that comes in.
Yeah, Gage wanted video of it, right? So
Yeah.
okay, yeah, I think this will do good enough. Focus, not really getting.
That's a really nice one.
Yes, I do.
That scud down there.
It's just scud though.
I don't care. It looks pretty.
Okay.